So we're going to solve problems in two ways, with a strip diagram and with algebraic equations. Then we'll discuss how the two methods are related. First problem. At a store, a hat costs 3 times as much as a t-shirt. Together, the hat and the t-shirt cost $35. How much does the t-shirt cost? The strip diagram has a hat strip and a t-shirt strip. The hat strip should be made of 3 equal rectangles. So I'll go ahead and draw a big one and break it up into roughly 3 equal parts. The t-shirt strip is made of one of these rectangles. That's the same size as one of the pieces of the hat. Together, the hat and the t-shirt cost $35. So altogether, we have 4 equal rectangles representing $35. So if I break that into 4 equal pieces, we get 8.75. So the t-shirt cost $8.75. The hat, on the other hand, has 3 of these. So 3 times $8.75, or $26.25. Now let's solve with algebra. We'll let T be the cost of the t-shirt in dollars. Then the hat will cost 3 times that, 3 times T. Together, they cost $35. So the t-shirt plus the hat needs to be equal to 35. We collect like terms. We get 4T equal to 35. And then we can divide both sides by 4 to once again get that T is 8.75. The algebra matches the strip diagram. The 4 equal rectangles in the strip diagram are represented by the 4T in the equation. Now let's solve another problem. There are 180 blankets at a shelter. The blankets are divided into 2 groups. There are 30 more blankets in the first group. How many are in the second group? Our strip diagram has group 1 and group 2. Group 2 has 1 large rectangle. Group 1, on the other hand, has 1 matching large rectangle of the same size, but it also has 30 extras, so it's going to have this additional piece added for the 30 extra blankets that group 1 has. Together, the full diagram represents the 180. So, our first step, we need to remove that 30 extra that we've already accounted for to know how much we have not accounted for. 180 minus 30 is 150. The remaining 150 blankets are split evenly between the matching 2 parts of the 2 groups. So we can divide that 150 by 2 to get 75. The second group has 75 blankets. And the first group has 30 more. 75 plus 30 gives us 105. And we can check. 75 plus 105 is in fact 180. Now let's solve with algebra. We're going to let S be the number of blankets in the second group. So, first group will then have that same amount plus an extra 30, so S plus 30. So we have S plus 30 should be equal to 180. Together, simplifying, we would get 2S plus 30 equal to 180. We can then subtract 30 from both sides to get that 2S is equal to 50, or 150. And then we divide both sides by 2 to get that S is equal to 75. So the second group has 75 blankets. Again, the equation and the strip diagram are telling the same story. The strip diagram makes the equal parts visible. The equation represents those same equal parts with variables. A strip diagram can help students understand why equations make sense. The diagram shows the relationship visually, and the equation records the relationship symbolically.